I try to inspire these inmates. Life is what you make it. It don't matter where you're at, which side of the fence you're on. Make the best of it. Come here, make the best of it. Learn some stuff. When you get out, you got some skills to go do it. So we try to treat this like a free world job. You know, we don't just keep our thumb on every one of them every day. We get our stuff done, we go home. Every bunch knows where they're supposed to go. Liquid line, powder line, my production bosses just dictate from that. And I try to take care of ordering, try to take care of stuff that's been ordered, raw materials, you know, help in the offices, that kind of stuff. And I'll come out and make sure everything's going smooth, make sure nothing's messing up or anything like that. A lot of product comes through here. Raw materials come in, finished goods goes out. Right now we've been making 600 cases a day on bar soap. Well, you can see the bags of tallow. We get that in, they dump it in the mixer. They dump our dye, our lanolin, and our fragrance in there and let it mix until it's all combined good. And once it does that, they drop it out. It's compressed 3 times, and then the last part of it goes through a bar line press, which 6 bars of continuous soap comes out, and our bar cutter cuts anywhere from 320 to 460 times a minute, and each time it cuts is 6 bars of soap. So as it goes over the conveyors, it rolls off into a box which is weighed to 20 pounds, and it's moved out of the way and stapled shut and moved over into our staging area. We'll wrap them in the morning, and then we ship it across to the warehouse, and then they distribute it throughout the state. You know, we was talking about me retiring in a couple of months. That's what I'm gonna miss is them. These guys back here, they do a good job. My staff is what I'm gonna miss.